Shenzhen, NSE Electronics Company Limited, was founded in 2011. We have our own operations center and manufacturing base in Shenzhen, China. We strongly believe that the future of LED market will be led by new design technological innovation and best brand influence. Our products have been widely used in broadcast television, airport commercial ads, municipal construction, retail stores, financial securities, sports events, exhibition, commercial advertising, traffic guidance, stage shows, and so on. Shenzhen NSE Electronics Company Limited is a national high-end enterprise which focus on integrating the upstream and downstream industry chain, strengthening the advanced R&D, and serving all range of LED display products. The main products of the company cover a wide range, such as taxi-top LED display, LED poster, indoor and outdoor advertising LED display, rental LED display, flexible LED display, transparent LED display, indoor wall-mounted LED display, circle LED display, street pole LED display, dance floor LED display. We are one of the dominant supplier on taxi-top LED display and digital LED poster. Our products have passed all the national and international quality certificates and got more than 15 patents. The ISO9001 2008 Quality Management System are strictly carried out, CE, ROHS, and IP65 certifications. Furthermore, we are growing up rapidly during the past years, with our products exported to more than 1,000 projects around the world successfully. Our products had been exported to more than 50 countries so far, and our clients are from Europe, Asia, America, Africa, as well as Ocean Pacific. Moreover, we guarantee of our products' quality is based on the professional LED display manufacturing workers, high-efficient operation systems, maintaining long-term cooperation with all customers and aggressive sales, and after-sales team for 24/7. Create value. Display infinity. NSE will continue to focus on the portable sign field and break new ground on the basis of past achievements, to strive to be the top-class LED display supplier.